Thank you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to request Dr. Rajkumar Upadhyay, Executive Director, Center for Development of Telematics, CDOT, for the opening.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You're audible, sir.
Thank you, Mr. N.G. Subramaniam, Chairman TSDSI, for your wonderful opening address. Respected Chairman DCC and Secretary Telecom, Shri Anshu Prakash ji, Joint Secretary and Mission Director, Smart Cities Mission, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Shri Kunal Kumar ji, Chairman TSDSI, Shri N.G. Subramaniam ji, Senior ADG TEC, Mrs. Deepa Tyagi, Chairperson 1M2M Steering Committee, Mr. Enrico Escarone. Ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon and a warm welcome to all of you in the inaugural session of the CDOT TSDSI webinar series. As we all know that we have been passing through a very tough time due to this COVID-19 pandemic. Our savior in this time has been, apart from the medical fraternity, has been the technology. And among the various technology which is helping the mankind during this difficult time is IT, telecom, and IoT. These technology enabled, whatever technology has helped us to stay connected, carry out our various business like, imparting remote education, remote consultation, online procurement, delivery of essential commodities, and a lot of work. What all the works happened through this use of technology. Apart from IT and telecom, IoT also enabled a lot of solutions. It gave tremendous value for the end users, healthcare professionals, businesses, and the government. For instance, IoT-enabled smart medical devices integrated with mobile apps helped users monitor their primary health parameters, which were basically accessed and analyzed by the doctors to take timely decisions. IoT sensors were also placed on the beds that enabled authorities to seamlessly identify the bed's availability and resulted in important reduction in the wait time for the bed. We also know that the vaccine management, the application what the government of India has launched, eWIN, is also IoT enabled so that we can, track the location, temperature, stock levels for efficient administration of vaccine administration. However, there have been some problems with these solutions in the country. A lot of smart city applications are being rolled out. The primary problem with these applications have been that they have been working in silos. They have been working on proprietary standards. They are not scalable. They are not interoperable. Securities are issues. Many things has been done by Department of Telecom in this direction to take care of these overcome all these issues. So especially the main issues are security, interoperability, and the data sharing. So the national standards for IoT, which has been rolled out by Department of Telecom, overcomes all these issues. And it also provides many more features which the service can be rolled out. These features, of course, will be discussed during the course of this webinar. A lot will be discussed about it. As far as the CDOT is concerned, CDOT has been the R&D unit of Department of Telecom. It has always been at the forefront of technology, and in the domain of IoT also, it is leading the way. It has always been a legacy of CDOT to help the ecosystem grow. CDOT is proud to submit that it is one of the largest contributor to the technical specification of 1M2M in the world. It is pertinent to mention here that 1M2M is the standard, which is global standard, which we have adopted through TSDSI and notified by Department of Telecommunication for rollout in this country. CDOT has developed the CDOT Common Service Platform system, which is called CCSP, which is based on 1M2M and national standards, which is being continuously upgraded as the standards evolve. This platform connects 1M2M compliant devices and applications seamlessly. CDOT's implementations have been successfully tested many times with international products for interoperability and conformance. In fact, CDOT has helped many startups and other organizations involved in the development of IoT solutions towards developing 1M2M compliant solutions. We aim that we continue to work, and we are happy to announce here that our platform is open to the complete industry. We will welcome startups who are interested in developing applications and device system ecosystem based on the national standard. The advantage will be if the devices or the applications are compliant to the national standard, which is nothing but 1M2M standard, they will be able to scale up, and they will be also able to export their devices and application in other country. Because if the devices and applications are compliant to the 1M2M standard, they work seamlessly across the globe. And CDOT is privileged to host this event along with the TSDSI, and together we look forward to 4 days of very engaging and insightful sessions. I would again say that CDOT as a R&D institution is open to collaboration, open to handhold the industry, startups in this area. We will welcome any kind of collaboration, and we look forward to improve the ecosystem so that the smart city mission gets gets strengthened to make citizens' life much more comfortable. So thank you so much. My sincere thanks to all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir, for highlighting the critical need of IoT standardization in solving real-time problems in a more secure and efficacious manner.